Hello everyone, welcome to Create a Sauce. Today is day 29, the second last day of the 30-day challenge, where we recreated many amazing thumbnails which looked very complex to design. Today's thumbnail is from Satori Graphics, Advanced Color Theory, makes designs superior with real examples. So this is a thumbnail which looks very challenging to make, but it's just made of shapes and just one shape, which is a rectangle. So without wasting any time, let's make a frame and rename it to day 29. I have two assets. This one's used from an earlier thumbnail and this one's I have downloaded from Unsplash. Both of these assets links are in the description. You can download from there. Now let's get started. I'll first change the color of the frame to black. Then let's add a rectangle which is just 20 by 20 and let's increase it up till here. We can make it 30 by 30, the gaps. We can make the gaps 30. Also from here, 30. And from here, just 1 pixels. Now it is equal from all the sides, 30. Let's increase the border radius to 60. Okay, this looks good. Or we can decrease it to maybe 40. And now I'll color it using the color picker tool. Now let's make this portion. I have duplicated this rectangle and let's fill it with black. And what I can do is I can do something like this. Not 21. Okay, so 20. Not 20, we can make it 32. Okay, so from here also we need to make 30. So let's make it 30. Okay, I have decreased 10 pixels more. One more. And this is 30, 30, 30. Okay. Now we would like to add one more box inside this black box. So let's add it. And first let's color it to that color, which is here. And now I'll add it. I'll give it the size of 20. This one's size to 22. So now it's 20 from all the sides. And I'll just duplicate this one again. And 20. So we have 447, right? Let's make it 2 not 10. Okay, 2 not 10. And let's duplicate them. Okay, we'll increase the sizes from here. 2 not 12. 2 not 12. 23 looks good. Now we have the basic structure ready. Let's add the text first. So we can write thumbnail design theory. And let's increase the font size to 200 or maybe 220. And let's make it Roboto and black. Let's change the line height somewhere near 80. Let's make it completely 80 percentage. And I'll select the thumbnail, change its fill to white. Okay, looking good. And we have this ready. Now, what I'll do is I'll add one more text, sorry. One more text here. We can write create a sauce. And let's make the text 36. And let's make it regular. Add it here. Yep. We can add it here, and we can add a line which goes like this. The line should be in the center of this text. And let's increase its weight to 5. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy this, create a source, and add a plus. I'll increase the size of the plus to 48. Now this looks great, I think so. Just reduce this line size here and here. Okay, let's move this a little bit upwards. Now we have this space. Let's first copy this. And let's move them here and interchange their positions. And I'll make this line shorter. Let me copy this again. And I have this thing ready. Now for this stuff, we have to copy this again and create a source we have already written. But we will change it to this. And we will write 2K 25. Make it extra bold. Okay. As well as we have to increase the size. 64 will be good. Now let's copy this again. And let's see what's written here. Design your future and elevate your graphic design awareness. So we will write, design your thumbnail today and elevate your design awareness. Now what I'll do is I'll make it 24. Looks good. I think we have to move this group a bit down. Okay, so the left part of the thumbnail is ready. Only the right part remains. And it's very simple. Let's move this image inside and let's arrange it here. What I'll do is I'll quickly crop this image to 310 by 310 and move this somewhere over here. Now I'll adjust this image inside this box and let's increase the border radius to 40. Okay, we'll increase the size. This looks good. Now for this empty space first, we'll add this cassette over here. Okay, the cassette is added. And now we can add 2 icons from Iconify. So let's search for video. Edit. Let's search for color. Yes, we can use this one. Let's import it as a frame. And let's delete this thing. And let's use YouTube, I think so. So YouTube's logo is here. We can import it and let's close Iconify. We have our 2 icons ready. Let's color them like this color, which is I think this color only. Nope, that's a different color. We have colored our icons. Let's center them and increase the sizes. So our thumbnail is ready, guys. So please like this video guys and let me know in the comment section if this was tough or not. And I'll see you tomorrow, the 30th day. Till then, take care. Bye bye.